Hello everyone, and welcome to yet another feature on the Loubby AI platform. In this session, we'll be exploring a new sub-feature under the bulk upload option for adding employees to a company. Now, there are two main methods for bulk uploading employees. Automatic adding, by uploading an Excel sheet. Manual adding, the new option we'll be going through today. Step 1. Using the Add Manually option. When you click Add Manually, a form pops up that allows you, as an employer, to fill in employee details directly. The key difference between automatic bulk upload and manual adding is this. Employees added through automatic bulk upload are immediately placed under the Active tab. Employees added manually are first placed under the Onboarded tab. Let's go ahead and add a team member manually. Step 2. Filling out employee information. I've already created an account for this demonstration. Let's enter the details for Tanamola Adufi. Email address, phone number, job title. Sales intern, start date. Today, manager. Selected from the existing employee list. Employment type, salaried compensation. $500,000 Currency. Naira. The bank details field is optional, so you can choose to fill it or leave it blank. Once all the fields are complete, click Add Employee. You can add as many employees as you want this way. All of them will appear in the table below. Here, you'll see columns for account number, start date, salary, employment type, manager, email, and username. You can also edit or delete any entry before proceeding. Step 3. Onboarding the employee. Now let's go ahead and onboard Tanamola Adufi. Once we click Onboard, we get a success message. One employee onboarded successfully. Now let's return to the Teams table. Remember, for automatic uploads, employees can be added either to Active or Onboarding, depending on the Excel configuration. But for manual uploads, employees are always added to the Onboarding tab by default. Here, we can see Tanamola Adufi listed with her role, title, and other details. Step 4. Completing the candidate onboarding next. As an employer, you can assign additional onboarding details such as documents and credentials. Note that compensation details are already included and cannot be edited here. Now, let's complete Tanamola's onboarding. On the candidate onboarding page, she fills in company email, phone number, country, Nigeria state, Ogun State City, Abeokuta zip code address. The bank account information is already populated from the onboarding setup. Since this employee was added manually, no documents or credentials are assigned automatically. The employer will need to assign those later. After filling all required fields, we reach the preview page, then click Submit. Step 5. Confirming successful onboarding. Now we're on Tanimola's employee dashboard. Let's return to the Teams table again to confirm the update. Earlier, we had 38 active and 45 onboarded employees. Now, we have 39 active and 44 onboarded, which means Tanimola Adufi has successfully been moved to the active tab. At the bottom of the table, we can see her record with her email, user ID, title, manager, salary, and bank details. Since no document or credential was assigned initially, none appear yet. Step 6. Assigning a document to the employee. As an employer, you can now assign a document, for example, an offer letter, for Tanimola to sign. Once assigned, it will appear on her dashboard as a pending document. She can then open it and append her signature to complete the signing process. And that's it. We've successfully added and onboarded an employee manually using the bulk upload feature on the Loubby AI platform. Visit Loubby AI to get started.